Alright guys, this is going to be my last Pop Mart visit for a while. Every time I go there, I always have to pick up something. And today I picked up these little guys called Chaka Candle Whisper. And these are the ones that are included. These in person look really cool. The reason I bought this was because this one here caught my eye. It's like a transparent resin or PVC. It's like really cool. So I am praying I get that one. Another one that was cool was this one, and I think one of these two. But it's always fun if I get the secret. So let's see what's inside. I shook these. I picked the two heaviest one, hoping I get either one, the secret or this one, because this looked like it was a lot of resin in there, or PVC. So let's see. Wait, here you guys. And I did not get the one I thought I was gonna get. And let's see what's inside this one. And I did get it, guys. I did get it. You guys need to see this. Look how freaking cool this one is. This is the one I wanted, and I got it. And when you put her on the base, it's just like a big splash. See if I can get the other one before the video runs out, so you guys can take a look. There she is. Oh, she has a little bit of fur. Anyways, thanks for watching, guys. Like and subscribe.